Welcome to Compact Industries. Our family-owned and managed company is a leading manufacturer of powdered food products, popular national brands you likely consume at home. In 1963, my grandfather, John Green, joined the board of directors of Compact Coffee Company. At that time, Compact was making tabletop coffee dispensing machines in Lake Mills, Iowa. In 1973, John bought the company and moved it to Illinois, where the family continued to manage and operate the company. Compact achieves superior ratings annually with the American Institute of Baking. Compact is kosher certified, organic certified, and halal certified. The Brown family takes pride in our family-run business, and we are pleased you'll be part of it. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Compact work environment and train you on key company policies and safety guidelines. Food safety and employee safety begin the moment employees, materials, and visitors arrive at Compact Industries. Compact Industries is a 216,000 square foot facility sitting on several acres. Its parking lot is split into two areas, the north side and east side. The north side consists of visitor parking, handicap parking, and employee parking for first shift. The east side has the shipping area, receiving area, and employee parking for second shift. Salaried employees have assigned parking spaces. First shift hourly employees park in this area of the north parking lot. Second shift hourly employees park in the east parking lot across from receiving. The parking lot is monitored at 3 p.m. shift change for compliance. All vehicles must obey the 10-mile-per-hour speed limit on company property. Be very aware of moving vehicles and pedestrians. In the winter, be aware of slippery asphalt. For your safety, the safety of visitors, and the food we manufacture, the building and surrounding area is equipped with video surveillance. There are two employee entrances. Office employees generally enter at the visitor entrance. Hourly employees must enter here under the blue awning. On company premises, smoking is only allowed near the main employee entrance. Per Illinois law, you must be 15 feet from the door when smoking. Employees and visitors smoke here. Smoking is not permitted anywhere else. Dispose of all cigarette butts in the container provided. The main employee entrance is equipped with a turnstile. Employees use a swipe card or finger scan to gain access here. A swipe card is also required for office employees who use the visitor entrance. Temporary associates use finger scans to punch in. Compact hourly employees punch in with a hand scan. Company procedures and good manufacturing practices, or GMPs, are the foundation for producing safe, high-quality food products for consumers. An important part of GMPs is personal hygiene. All employees must maintain a high degree of personal cleanliness to prevent product contamination. For proper personal hygiene, always keep your hair and fingernails clean, maintain a clean uniform, and don't sit on the ground. Particles from outside like pollen, grass, and dirt can fall into the food we manufacture, causing contamination. Good manufacturing practices include an approved work uniform. Approved work attire for Compact employees consists of a company-assigned uniform and steel-toe shoes. A temporary employee's uniform consists of long pants, steel-toe shoes, and an apron. Apron dispensers are located throughout the building. Clothing embellishments such as crystals and glitter are prohibited. Office employees also have a dress code. Details can be found in the employee handbook. Depending on your position in the plant, you may be required to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE. Some types of PPE are shatterproof glasses, gloves, or earplugs. Jewelry such as earrings, necklaces, watches, and rings cannot be worn while working. Jewelry can easily come loose from your body and contaminate the food we manufacture, or become entangled in machinery, causing bodily injury. Only plain wedding rings can be worn. Remove jewelry and secure them in your car or locker, or preferably leave jewelry at home. Anyone entering the production floor is required to wear a hairnet. Employees wear white hairnets and visitors wear blue hairnets. Employees with long hair can use 2 hairnets to cover hair completely. This is the only approved hair tie for use in the compact warehouse. It is constructed of metal and is 2 inches long. This is how to properly wear a hairnet and face net. Place the hairnet over ears and sideburns. The face net covers the upper lip and chin. In this close-up, note the position of the employee's hair and face nets. Hairnet and face net dispensers are located near the turnstile and the warehouse cafeteria. Washing hands and wearing gloves is a crucial GMP. Before you begin working, it is mandatory that you wash your hands for a full 20 seconds. Hand washing helps prevent bacterial contamination of the food products we manufacture. Wash your hands up to your elbows. Dry your hands and arms with paper towels. Apply antibacterial gel to hands and arms and roll down your sleeves. Put on a new set of gloves before touching any food or food packaging. Glove dispensers are located throughout the building. Blue gloves are for handling food. Green gloves are for cleaning. Packers, stackers, and forklift drivers should not wear gloves unless they are touching food or cleaning. Gloves protect the food we manufacture from bacteria on your hands. Gloves should be changed often. Only use fresh, clean gloves when handling food or food packaging. If you touch a computer or forklift or tool, change your gloves again before touching food or food packaging. Do not wear gloves outside the building, inside the bathrooms, or in break areas. Throw your gloves away before you take a break. Two break rooms with refrigerators, microwaves, and vending machines are available for hourly employee use. Store lunches in the refrigerator or on designated shelves. Do not store valuables in your lunch boxes. Lunches and food are not permitted in employee lockers. GMPs prohibit glass of any type inside the warehouse and production areas. During your break time, you can come here to relax, eat, and converse with your coworkers. Please keep these areas clean. When you are done, take a moment to remove your belongings, wipe the table, and straighten chairs. Salaried employees use the kitchen in the front office. Let's review. All employees must maintain a high degree of personal cleanliness to prevent food product contamination. All vehicles must obey the 10-mile-per-hour speed limit in our parking lot. Employees enter through one entrance only, at which point a swipe card or hand scan is necessary for security gate entry. Wash your hands for 20 seconds and use hand sanitizer. Jewelry such as earrings, necklaces, watches, and rings cannot be worn while working. Depending on your position in the plant, you may be required to wear personal protective equipment, or PPE. Green gloves are for cleaning. Blue gloves are for handling food. Place the hairnet over ears and sideburns. Work safety begins with employee awareness. Note where the emergency exits are at Compact and know where the nearest emergency exit is in relation to your work area. In the event of an emergency, inform an emergency responder and supervisor, following company incident and accident procedure. Use a blood-borne pathogen kit if blood is present. Eye wash stations and fire extinguishers are located throughout the plant. First aid kits are located in the safety office and labs. Warning signs like this are posted throughout the warehouse. They're extremely important because they inform employees of possible dangers. If you cannot read a sign or not sure about what a sign means, please ask your supervisor. When entering the work area, always stay on the pedestrian walkway and be aware of your surroundings. Use hanging dome mirrors to see around corners. In high traffic areas, stop, look, and listen before you move. To avoid trips and falls, watch for hazards such as moisture, dust, and pallets on the floor. Inform a supervisor or the sanitation department if these hazards exist. All visitors, including contractors, must arrive through the northeast visitor entrance. There is a security checkpoint at this entrance. Authorized visitors must sign in at the front desk, sign a GMP document, wear an ID badge, and wait for their host or escort. All visitors wear blue hairnets so that they can be easily identified from employees. Many types of ladders are used at Compact. Before using any ladder, get proper training. Make sure the ladder you are using is appropriate for the task. Do not use a ladder that is too short or too tall for the job. If the ladder appears broken, do not use it. Attach an out-of-order sign and alert a supervisor. Only trained personnel should clean machines. During equipment cleaning, always use platforms when available. Do not stand on top of equipment. Do not reach to clean equipment. Air hoses are necessary for cleaning equipment and powering tools. Do not use air hoses for cleaning off your uniform. You contaminate the food we manufacture and reduce air quality when you use air hoses on your clothing. At the end of your shift, make sure your work area is clean. Brushes are color-coded for their purpose. White brushes are for food contact surfaces only. Blue brushes are for brushing off the outside of food containers. Green brushes are for floors and walls. Yellow brushes are for use with milk and soy. Black brushes can only be used by trained sanitation employees for cleaning drains. When you are done cleaning, always place cleaning supplies and tools in their designated storage areas. If you are not sure where something is stored, please ask your supervisor. Two types of knives are used at Compact. One is retractable and one is non-retractable. Make sure the knife you are using is approved for the food you are manufacturing. When using a knife to open a box or bag, always cut away from the body. Avoid serious back injuries by using proper lifting techniques. Do not lift anything over 50 pounds on your own. Ask for assistance if the object you must lift is over 50 pounds. See these employees properly lift a 100-pound bag. They stand on opposite sides of the product and move the product towards the blender together. Do not twist while lifting. When lifting material from a low level, bend at your knees. Employees may wear their own back supports if they choose. This is a metal detector on one of our production lines. The metal detector identifies foreign objects inside of food packages. In this illustration, you see how a piece of metal is placed on top of a cappuccino bag and the bag is ejected out of the packaging line. Every machine is equipped with red emergency stops. Depressing these buttons or opening any of the machine's compartment doors will automatically shut the machine off. Only use equipment that you have been trained on. You must be certified in order to use any type of powered equipment. Safety gates are used in the blending loft area to protect employees. Gates prevent access to the balcony when product is being moved. See how one gate opens and the other gate closes, preventing employee access to the open balcony. If you have to repair or work with equipment or machines, make sure the correct lockout-tagout procedure is in place. This machine operator initiates lockout-tagout procedure by putting a lock on the machine. Remember to always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, depending on the machine you are using. MSDS books, which hold material safety data sheets, are available in several locations at Compaq. Work until your scheduled end time. When you are finished working, punch out and exit through the turnstile. Let's review. When entering the work area, always stay on the pedestrian walkway and be aware of your surroundings. All visitors, including contractors, must arrive through the northeast visitor entrance. Before using any ladder, get proper training. During equipment cleaning, always use platforms when available. Do not use air hoses for cleaning off your uniform. When using a knife to open a box or bag, always cut away from the body. Avoid serious back injuries by using proper lifting techniques. Only use equipment that you have been trained on.